Yes, so I should. Yes, good morning to all again in our morning session. It's too much early morning. My name is Gumri Chandra Sen, and previous lecture already we started to the different types of cost and under module number 4, or we can say the unit number 4. Right. Under the unit number 4, we trying to discuss about the different types of costs. Right. It is called cost of production. In previous lecture, we already learn is here what is meant by cost, right? Different types of cost, whether you produce something, there come to the production process. These costs we are learning just started. Accounting cost, economic cost, clear. Explicit cost, implicit cost, also private cost, social cost, historical cost, replacement cost, incremental cost, sunk cost, and we also discussed the opportunity cost. Also started also focused to the why that all cost is important. Then started fixed cost, variable cost, short run and long run cost, right? These already we focus. Also we discussed to the one table. In the table we discussed to different types of cost, right? Where we little bit trying to focus how that cost is importance, or simultaneously we also learn initially that average cost is how to work, right? आपण सुरुवातीला हे पण पाहिलं की average cost इनिशियली कसं वर्क करते, नंतर त्याच्यामध्ये काय बदल होत जातात ते पण आपण त्याच्यामध्ये झालेलं आहे. आणि महत्वाचं म्हणजे initially whether you study or observing that total fixed cost is fixed, total variable cost is changed, initially 30, then 55, 75, etc. Then that is continuously rising. Total cost also initially is very less, this is 50, then unit of production is rising continuously, right? 1, 2, 3, 10 finally. Then total cost is also rising, where then we calculated column number 4, total fixed cost, right? And under the fixed cost also we learn these cost is how the change. त्याच्यामध्ये पण आपण पाहिलं होतं की ही कॉस्ट कशी बदलत जाते, क्लियर. So in this way we also try to understand whether change in the cost, how, what is the impact, clear. 1 minute, थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लेम होते स्क्रीन शेअरला, जस्ट 1 minute. Okay, yes. So these also discussed in the previous lecture. आता परत रिपीट करत नाही, फक्त मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं की कसं कॉस्ट कर्व चेंज होत जात आहे, क्लियर. So these also we discussed in the previous lectures. Total variable cost, total fixed cost, clear. And relationship between average fixed cost and average variable cost and average total cost also discussed in the previous lecture. Now we see the today relationship between marginal cost and average cost. This is the last column. Already we know that how that relation is here. See here that a blue curve how shows the average variable cost. Red curve shows the average total cost, right? And a purple color shows the marginal cost. See here. Initially marginal cost is low, means marginal cost and average cost start initially at the same cost, right? And when additional units production is rising 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one situation is come there when units fifth is produced, then is a marginal cost is the lowest. But after that point, but at the same time average total cost is also low as the unit fifth appointed, then also output is there, and after that at the point, then initially that all cost, which is cost, marginal cost, average total cost and average variable cost is continuously rising, which already learned in a previous lecture. Yes, now we discussed to why the average variable and average total, TU means total, curve are U shape. Clear? This is we discussed to here. Why that like this? Because already we learn in the diagram. आपण ह्या डायग्राम बघितलेला आहे की यू शेप मध्ये असं काय इनिशियली हाय नंतर लो आणि नंतर परत राईट्स म्हणजे हा काय शेप काय झाला दिस इज द यू शेप आपण सुरुवातीलाच पाहिलेलं आहे नवीन पाहतोय का अजिबात नाही ऑलरेडी जे होतं आपण तेच बघतोय सो इट इज नॉट अ न्यू राईट सो हे असं का दिस इज वी ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टँड हिअर असं होण्याचं रिझन काय ते आपण थोडंसं इथं समजून घेऊया आता एक थिअरी आहे याच्यामध्ये आपण बघतोय की these cost is changed right and why that change there is some reasons and that reasons impact on production and all activities I'm right so then that creates to the average total cost is a U shape whether you know the same diagram जर ती आठवत असेल डायग्राम थोडी ते परत टेस्ट नाही करणार खूप वेळ जातो ते कॉपी पेस्ट करायला ती स्क्रीन वगैरे बरंच काही चेंज करत बसावं लागतं क्लिअर तर ते काय दाखवते डायग्राम इथं व्हॉट शोन इज द डायग्राम वेदर यू प्रॉपरली अंडरस्टँड जर थोडंसं आठवत असेल इनिशियली दॅट average total cost and all is same but after the point of view or whether you think is that when appointed factors of production is continuously give the appointment newly then that cost is a change clear and that shape is also changed clear which already I show you in the diagram हे तुम्हाला डायग्रामच्या थ्रू मी दाखवलेलं आहे आता आपलं पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू काय तर वाय यू शेप रिझन इज व्हेरी सिम्पल हिअर दॅट टू युटिलायझेशन ऑफ प्लांट अँड दॅट बिगिनिंग व्हेन प्रोडक्शन इज लो average variable cost is rather than high for the plant तर तुमच्या एक लक्षात येत असेल की प्लांटचं युटिलायझेशन खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने करायचं असेल तर काय करावं लागतं आपल्याला यू मस्ट बी दॅट युटिलाइज फॅक्टर्स सो बेटर वे दॅट ऑल फॅक्टर शुड बी अपॉइंटेड इन अ प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस they have to utilization properly that all factors clear in short here it is very simple to understand initially that same factor we have in production process and all so simple is that as the proper utilization when production is low their average variable cost is rather than high for the plant and that is underutilized and as an increase in production average variable cost goes on decline right and for that plant is now utilized most efficient manner whether you appointed additional units of production and this point of that output average variable cost is will be the lowest whether you keep in mind the diagram right and that production increases rather than average variable cost starts increasing clear so one more reason is what average total unit of the cost influenced by the average variable cost that you focus to that another thing whether you that studied here is very simply understand that second reason average total unit cost is influenced and that is how the influence to here there is a very one important reason that average cost and average fixed cost we have already explained in the diagram average variable and average fixed cost go to the decline and average total cost is false, that afterwards that average variable cost goes on increasing, but the average fixed cost still falls at the very slow rate. This is the possibility. And one more reality is here. This is the third reason which makes to the U shape. Average total cost goes on decline. Clear? What has happened? Here decline that beginning because of the several internal economizers. I already told you in topic 1. Where are labor, marginal, financial, marketing and technical economizers give rise to different economizers advantage. ते आपण मॉड्यूल 3 मध्ये पाहिलेले परत करा. Clear? So these are economizers, mean can we say the internal advantages which makes to the shape of the curve U shape. Clear? या सगळ्या advantages मुळे कर्व हा U shape असतो. Clear? मग हे काय हे ऍडव्हान्टेज आहेत? खरं ते ऑलरेडी झालेले आहेत. आय डोंट नो युनिव्हर्सिटीने पण असं का केलंय आहे तेच परत आपण मॉड्यूल 3 मध्ये बघितले होते की ऍडव्हान्टेजेस किंवा हे रिझन सुद्धा आहेत कशाचे यू शेप कर्वचे. दिस इज ऑलरेडी वी लर्न इन मॉड्यूल 3 इन लास्ट टॉपिक. लेबर इकॉनॉमिक्स. आता लेबर इकॉनॉमिक्स म्हणजे स्पेशलायझेशन, दॅट डिव्हिजन ऑफ लेबर, स्पेशलायझेशन ऑफ लेबर मीन्स वन लेबर हॅव स्पेशलाइज्ड टू देम, that labors is more hard working and also less time he producing more. So generally that efficiency of workers is enhanced because of specialization. एकच वर्क त्या लेबरला परत परत मिळालं तर तो चांगलं वर्क करतो, म्हणजे त्याच्या कामाची क्वालिटी वाढते कारण की त्याला एकच वर्क करायचंय. टेक्निकल इकॉनॉमिझर्स that concern with the operation of machinery, so that capability of producing units we can be rising. Means that machine is not utilized fullest capacity, whether we not appointed the new factor, but the cost of machine remains the same. When production increase, the cost of machine spread over the larger larger output we can be produced, so automatically average total cost is a false. Clear? So this is one more advantage, or we can be say the internal is झालेलं खरं तर. Marketing economizes. Marketing is important part in each business, right? When firm increase the output, many marketing advantages are available. खूप सारे advantages. Firm can buy raw materials cheaply because it's better bargaining strength. का तर त्याच्याकडे खूप huge production होत आहे. आणि मग जर खूप huge production असेल तर व्हेरी सिम्पल काय करतात ते कमी प्राइसेस मध्ये जास्त रॉ मटेरियल परचेस करतात आणि त्याचं त्याला ऍडव्हान्टेज मिळतं. In less prices they gets to the more benefits, and this is one more advantages we can say the marketing economizes. Another one economizes managerial economizes. These related to the also labor specialization. Management of the firm that is a big in the position in appoint to the experts. जसं आपण लेबरचं डिव्हिजन केलंय, experts managers of the different departments who entirely responsible for the management of their department. And why they are effectively work? Because that managerial are the separated in under to the different work. QC समजा क्वालिटी चेक डिपार्टमेंट तेवढंच करणार, बरोबर आहे. प्रोडक्शन मॅनेजर तो प्रोडक्शन पुरतच बघणार, पर्सनल मॅनेजर तो प्रॉब्लेम्स पुरतच बघणार. म्हणजे प्रत्येकाचं स्पेशलाइज असेल. हे सगळे मॅनेजर एकत्र आले आणि प्रोडक्शन ज्यावेळेस डिस्कशन होईल त्यावेळेस कुठे कुठे चेंजेस करता येतील, that can be very easy to understand. That is the one more advantage. Financial economizers. Firm employing more variable factors, right, that require big finance, which can be obtained easily through the profitable bargaining with the lenders. So this is a one more advantages comes to in business process. Next one is their internal economizers. It is also one of the part of that associated with the indivisibility of factor of production. Many factors cannot be used in the some part or proportion. So how to be applied into the here? So entrepreneurship, whether taken some initiatives to them, then युटिलाइज फुलफिल दॅट ऑल फॅक्टर्स गेट द मोर बेनिफिट. क्लिअर. तर असे खूप सारे ऍडव्हान्टेज आपल्याला मिळतात आणि ऑलरेडी हे डिस्कस करून झालेलं आहे. क्लिअर. पुढे बघूया आपण लॉंग रन कॉस्ट कर्व. आता शॉर्ट रन मध्ये आपल्याला आहे त्या फॅक्टरचं जास्त युटिलायझेशन करण्याशिवाय आपल्याला ऑप्शन नव्हता. पण लॉंग रन मध्ये आपल्याकडे टाइम आहे कशासाठी, अपॉइंट द न्यू फॅक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन अँड प्रोड्यूस मोर. जो टाइम आपल्याला शॉर्ट टर्म मध्ये अजिबात नाहीये. काय समजतंय तुम्हाला बोललेलं? इन लॉंग रन वी हॅव सफिशियंट टाइम टू अपॉइंटेड अ न्यू फॅक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन अँड गेट प्रोडक्शन टू देम. Vice versa, short term have very short period, but long period we can be increasing the law returns, we can be the change. That just I told you here, to better know the long run, substantially that all factors we can be used to them and we can produce more. This is the one more advantage is there. And long run, one more important thing is that plant, machinery, technology, you can be newly appointed, because whatever you do in the short run, this is the less possibility. Long run we can be not, yes, we can be utilized to them, but we have two more advantages, appoint to them and give to the more work from them newly. म्हणजे जादाच्या फॅक्टर्सला अपॉइंट करायचं आणि वर्क करून घ्यायचं. व्हेरी सिम्पल. क्लिअर. सो दिस इज इम्पॉर्टंट. वाय अवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व इन लॉंग रन इज ऑल्सो यू शेप. आता हे महत्वाचं आहे की जर शॉर्ट रन मध्ये यू शेप असतो तर लॉंग रन मध्ये का असतो. ऍब्सोल्युटली लॉंग रन मध्ये तो लॉंग रन मध्ये सुद्धा तो कर हा यू शेपच असतो. का? बिकॉज दॅट यू शेप लाईक शॉर्ट रन कॉस्ट कर्व, द ओनली डिफरन्स बिटवीन इज देन व्हॉट इज देअर, that is the long run cost curve is not the deep as the short run cost curves. म्हणजे एकच शकतं. लॉंग रन मध्ये जसं शॉर्ट रन मध्ये एकदम डीपला जातात कमी प्राइसेस, म्हणजे कमी मिनिमम प्राइस, तसं लॉंग रन मध्ये एक फिक्स प्राइस ठरलेली असते आणि त्याच्यामध्ये फारसं काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला अप अँड डाऊन्स होत नाहीत जसं शॉर्ट रन मध्ये होतात. सो व्हॉट इज द रिझन इज देअर why the shape curve is a U shape? This is we're trying to discuss. Absence of fixed cost. In long run, yes, there is also production and all activities, but in the long period, there is only variable factors. So it is possible, therefore, to reduce the cost of many unwanted heads, right? And one more important, in the long period, if firm feels that particular machinery or plant becomes absolute, it can be replaced it by another plant, right? So which will be result in lower cost of production, right? And one more important thing is what? Contrast in short period, that plant cannot be changed, even that in long run overutilized. So this is the reason, one of the reason, absence of fixed cost. Second, one more reason is what? Utilization of that plate. Means as we are aware that short run the capacity of that plant plate is one change that sometime because of increasing the demand, right? So mag plant capacity utilization which is over the utilized, which is result in sharp increase in cost of production. Clear. So old machinery is brought into the operation, that leading frequent breakdowns which adds to the troubles. And in long period, however, that capacity plant never be fixed. So demand condition improve, new bigger plants be the installed. But when demand conditions are that problem is there, at the moment that old plant is replaced. Clear. So this is one more reason is there. This is get the advantage. Clear. So this is all are the reasons in the long run why is a U-shaped curve. Now we see the internal and external economizers and diseconomizers. Economizers तर खरं बघून झालेले आहेत आपले मॉड्यूल 3 मध्ये, पण आता आलेत तर सांगतो. टेक्निकल ऍडव्हान्टेज आहे जास्त, ऍग्रिगेट तुमचं प्रोडक्शन जास्त असल्यामुळे टेक्निकल मॅनेजरियल म्हणजे स्पेशलायझेशन होतं, कमर्शियलायझेशन होतं आणि फायनान्शियल इकॉनॉमायझर्स पण होतं. रिस्क स्प्रेड होते कारण की फर्म तुमची काही छोटी नाही आहे. युअर फर्म इज नॉट अ स्मॉल, युअर फर्म इज बिगर. So risk is automatically. External economizers, one more thing is that economizers of concentration, economizes of information, and economizes of the disintegration. So these can be possibilities, or this is all are the internal economizers. Now next is their optimum output is reached. Clear? This is the new topic for your understanding. क्लिअर. बुक्स मध्ये जरी तुम्ही बघितलात तर हे टॉपिक नवीन झालेले आहेत, त्याच्यामुळं मला मी सांगतोय त्याच्यावर ट्रस्ट ठेवा थोडासा, कारण की हा टॉपिक परत परत येत आहे तिथं. क्लिअर? असू दे. सो नाव वी कम्स टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. हिअर अंडर द टॉपिक वी ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टँड whether we appointed new factors. Then just we discuss that how they get benefits, and sometime they are not come to the only benefits, they are utilized to that all factors that reach that economizers, or we can be said the benefits. One more importance, they reduce the average cost of firm. Therefore this economizers start that operating cost starting the increasing due to the several reasons. Clear? So demand for the workers, raw material, transport services, it is also important role in the production process. Increasing that particular stage of the production, their prices start rising at the one moment, and that start rising we get the entire industry working under the increasing cost conditions. Clear? Here we trying to understand is what change in the plant, it cost of operation can be reduced. Absolutely कमी होते short period, but some quantity can be produced in lower cost in the long run. and long run मध्ये आपण आत्ताच पाहिले की फिक्स कॉस्ट फारशी येत नाही, कारण की तुमच्याकडे कंट्रोल आहे फॅक्टरचा सगळा. So long period we have to the choose to the new machineries. Why you focus on outdated machineries and all? Clear? So see here, we are trying to understand that diagram. Just I told you. See, this is the quantity of Q1, Q2, 3, 4. हा long run average cost curve. आता जरा शांतपणे बघत चला. यादी डायग्राम काढून दाखवतो तुम्हाला आणि मग समजून सांगतो. डोंट वरी. आणि हे 3 कर्व आहेत, दिसतात काय? हे शॉर्ट रन अवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व होत आहे. आय एक्सप्लेन ऑल, डोंट वरी. आता डायग्राम मध्ये जरा असं बघा. देयर आर द 3 डिफरंट शॉर्ट कर्व. जस्ट आय टोल्ड यू शॉर्ट रन अवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व. क्लिअर? जे यू शेप मध्ये आहेत, बरोबर आहे. and short run average cost curves shown the plant in short period. and तो दिसतोय का सगळ्याला कनेक्ट करणारा एक कर्व आहे, त्याला LRAC, लॉंग रन अवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व. दॅट लॉंग रन अवरेज कॉस्ट, आता बघा इनिशियली प्रोडक्शन बघा OQ1 नंतर OQ1 झालं, बरोबर आहे का? दॅट आउटपुट ऑफ शॉर्ट पिरियड इज OQ2. क्लिअर? कंटिन्युअसली रायझिंग दॅट आउटपुट. OQ2 R हा दिसतोय पॉइंट तुम्हाला वरती डायग्राम मध्ये? तुम्हाला काही दिसतच नाही, ते मला दाखवलं नाही. This point is shown in the diagram. See, this is the R point, right? I explain all, don't worry. And this is the OQ2. What shown is here? Long run average cost refers to long average cost curve. That average cost is OQ2, output in short period. That Q2R, but the same output can be produced in large plant, that is a long run average cost. Lower average cost, that is a Q2M1. दिसते का? I explained, don't worry, this is the M1 here shown in the diagram, right? So becomes optimum output of that cost OQ3 and M3 is the minimum average cost in the long period. डायग्राम मध्ये बघत चला. जर असं झालं, only one short run average cost curve, that is the short run average cost 1 is first, is tangent to the long run average cost curve at its short run average cost 2. Second, the minimum point जो दाखवला डायग्राम मध्ये, this is काय झाला तो पहिल्याचा, तो झाला M, right? So what happen is then, in fact, that Q2 becomes optimum output. The cost Q3 M1 is the minimum average cost in the long period, which shown is also diagram. And here just I told you that only one what we say that SRAC nahi ka dakhavलं, short run average cost curve, that tangent to the long run average cost, it's here shows in the second curve, and that tangent between average cost, long run short run average cost, and one more is that long run average cost, and between that SR short run average cost and long run average cost is not their respective minimum point. ते डायग्राम मध्ये आपल्याला दाखवलेलं आहेच. आणि हा जो लॉंग रन यू शेप लॉंग रन अवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व, इट इज नॉट seen here that short run average cost curve, it is evident that long run average cost curve envelop all short run cost curves. That is why it is known as the envelope curve. So the envelope paper नसतो का तसा तसा, म्हणून त्याला envelope curve पण म्हटलंय. At any level of output, the long run average cost curve cannot be higher than short period average cost. Right, because all adjustments are possible in the long period. So to reduce average cost, and one more thing is what, long run average cost curve enable a firm to plan size, and it is called that planning curve. याला असं planning curve पण म्हणतात. We can establish it that specific relationship between short run average cost curves and long run average cost curve. And one more thing is that input can be produced at the cheaper rate in long period because of any adjustment is possible. In short period, that is diagram should show that cost cannot be reduced because of the certain fixed factor. तो diagram मध्ये दाखवलं बघा, OQ2 दिसतंय का समोर? So it can be produced in the short period either with its short run average cost दाखवला तो, किंवा दुसरा आहे short run average cost 2, column comma दाखवले ना. But the same output can be produced at the cheaper rate with the help of long run average cost curve. So conclusion is what, that long run average cost curve is not tangent to the lowest point all the short run average cost curve, and that expect in at the minimum long run average cost curve, which is a tangent long run average cost curve. Clear? So see here, now see the another diagram about the here. पुढची diagram बघूया. आता मी जे सांगितलं तुम्हाला तिथं की चेंज इन प्लांट अँड मशिनरी केली तर हे निम्मे डायग्राम तर सेम आहे. आता हे बघा, लॉंग रन शॉर्ट रन मार्जिनल कॉस्ट, आणि हा जो पॉइंट दाखवला इथं बघा इंटरसेक्ट पी मध्ये होते लॉंग रन मार्जिनल कॉस्ट. क्लियर? तर दिस इज व्हॉट शोइंग इज हिअर. This diagram shows the three different short run curves. Short run average cost दिसतायत का? Short run average cost 1, 2 आणि 3. Sorry, 3 curves आहेत. And that corresponding short run marginal cost curve that representing short run average cost curve which drawn by dotted line. So long run average cost curve in that average cost curve that enveloping all short run average cost curves. In short, in long run marginal cost curve that intersect to the cuts that long run average cost curve at this lowest point. And there is a difference between short run and long run marginal cost curve. These short run marginal cost curves are falling and rising. आणि हे कंटिन्युअसली होत राहत आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये खूप काही चेंज होत आहेत असं काही नाहीये. दिस इज अ प्रॉपर वे, किंवा आपण एक डायरेक्शन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला दिसतंय, and at that moment they can be changed which are shown in the diagram, and this is called optimum output is reached. In short, long run मध्ये आपल्याला जे काही फॅक्टर्स आहेत, येस आपण त्या सगळ्यांना युटिलाइज करतो, नो डाऊट, and that get the benefits. Clear? And this is importance in long run. Now we see the one more topic is here related to the here long period increasing returns of scale, or we can be say the diminishing. आपण ऑलरेडी लॉ पाहिलेला आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये पाहिले की when appointed factors initially all is rising, then constant, and then started to the decreasing. Same, why that importance? There is the importance role of internal and external economizer are exhausted. Whether you seen that in the diagram, then you can be also understand. See here, this is the long average cost curve, and that is N, N1, N2, N3. Where are the intersecting that short run average cost curve 1, 2, 3, and 4. What is showing here? Here is the discuss that above, just I told you about that internal and external economizers, the large scale of production with reduce the average cost of production, because the economizers will be changed and that conditions can be happen differently. आता diagram काय दाखवते बघा, there is a limits to the expansion of firm and industry. So at the moment there is a long period, one internal and external economizers are exhausted. Here we can be seen in the diagram. आता diagram काय दाखवते, change, and here is the scale of operation is changed. The larger the output produced by that adopting new plants, which are shown by that curve 2, 3, and 4. Clear? And that average cost, see there, M3, दिसते का ते M3, N3 हे सगळ्यात लोएस्ट आहे. त्याच्या अगोदरची बघा N2, M2, N1, M1, NMM. Clear? Clear. That diminishing average cost is due to the increasing returns of the scale. Clear? And that under decreasing the cost conditions. Clear? And there are the large increasing various costs like maintenance cost, supervision cost, raw material cost. Due to that, all of the scarcity material, etc. Clear? So there is decreasing returns of scale because of the various diseconomizes resulting in the cost. So average cost of production start increasing rapidly when the decreasing च्या against increasing पण होऊ शकतं. कधी? Increasing various cost whether come to the diseconomizes. So long run cost आता जे पाहिलं आपण तसंच MN, MN1 जसं आउटपुट वाढतंय तसं शॉर्ट रन average cost पण चेंज होते. Reason is the scale of operation crosses the optimum output. There are the diminishing return scale, and that average cost which are shown in the above diagram, MN, M1, N1, M1, N1, M1, N2, M2, M2. So this way that cost can be increasing, which are show the diagram. Clear? So these are the importance we have learn is here, or that all are the impact of cost and all. In short, आता हे झालं हे cost change in short run. Long run मध्ये काय होतं? Long run मध्ये that cost is, I already told you, fixed cost can be avoidable. So in a long run, a long period, the output increase operation, their scale is employed, there are the constant returns, and the average cost therefore are the remaining same. So industry is said to be to the working under the constant cost conditions. Clear? So that M1 आपण इथे बघतो डायग्राम मध्ये NM, N1, M1 हे सगळे कॉम्प्लेक्स स्केल आहे. म्हणजे काय दाखवतं हे? This output is that increasing proportionately to cost. Therefore the average cost neither be increase or nor be decrease. And this is because of economizes and diseconomizes. Clear? So in short, here optimum scale of production, this scale of output which is average cost is the lowest, is known as that optimum. आपण respective म्हणतो, ideal म्हणतो, बरोबर आहे का? And that scale of firm is known as that optimum firm. Long run firm will be adopt that plant which is will be produce optimum output. In other words, whether we can say here, cost कमीत कमी करणं म्हणजेच optimum utilization आहे. Clear? Just I told you this is here, which can be the lowest cost of production, which can be very important to the each and every business. सगळ्या बिझनेस मध्ये हेच फॉलो केलं जातं. त्या प्रोडक्शनची कॉस्ट कमीत कमी कशी ठेवली जाईल and produce to them. Clear? So now we see the extension of cost analysis and cost reduction through the experience. What is importance to here to economies that every economy, not in Indian economy, प्रत्येकाचं एक टार्गेट आहे इकॉनॉमीचं की प्रोडक्शनची कॉस्ट कमीत कमी ठेवणं आणि मग ती कमीत कमी ठेवायची असेल तर बरे काही डिसिजन तुम्हाला घ्यावे लागतात. क्लिअर? सो you make to take some that all decisions means you have to the decline your cost of production. आणि तुम्ही प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट कमी केले की तुम्हाला ऍडव्हान्टेज पण जास्त मिळणार, नो डाऊट. मग काय करायचं नेमकं तुम्ही? वॉट एव्हर यू वेस्ट मनी दॅट अवॉइड दॅट ऑल कॉस्ट इज हिअर. फर्स्ट वन इज देअर गो पेपरलेस. म्हणजे आज काय मॉडर्नायझेशन झालंय, तुमची कॉस्ट कमी होणार ना. एक्सटेन्शन ऑफ कॉस्ट अनालिसिस, दॅट कॉस्ट रिडक्शन टू द एक्सपिरियन्सेस. तर इकॉनॉमी तुम्ही काय करा तुमची, म्हणजे तुमचं फर्म्स आहे पेपरलेस करा, डिजिटल करा. गरजेपुरतेच इक्विपमेंट वापरा, जिथं गरज नाही तिथं कशाला वापरायचं जास्त. Means that cost when purchasing equipment consider less, and you not only the conserve your companies, so you can be served that substantial amount of money, repairs, upgrades and maintenance, that lease equipments cover the expenses. So this is also affordable is there. Collect cash in advance. This is another advantages to here. Credit of customer, that consider that collecting percentage of cash up from that front with every purchase. This will help you company that reduce the risk, improve the cash flow. आता हे थोडंसं अवघड आहे. लोक आता 4-व्हीलर अशा गाड्याचं बुकिंग करतात, बरोबर का नाही? त्याच्यामुळे काही कंपनीचं वेस्टेज जात नाही, बरोबर आहे ना. म्हणून काय म्हणलंय, कलेक्ट द कॅश इन ऍडव्हान्स. म्हणजे बुकिंग घ्या, म्हणजे वेस्टेज होणार नाही. आज फॉर द डिस्काउंट that supplier will with the may have to do that quantity 50% or more depending on the terms. So you have be able to meet these that requirement and the quality of lower price. And at the moment you find out that ask about the discounts and all, तुम्हाला देतील आणि तुमच्या त्याच्यामुळे अजून बेनिफिट होईल. Another one, switch banks. Means that surprise that banks are looking to the squeeze more revenue out of the fees make up for all new regulatory changes. So bank rates are here at the consumer. We are not hostage these higher fees. We have to on our used to that what we say that avoiding them to all that things. So better way, everything is possible. Avoid that fees like ATM or surcharges. What we say that ज्या फीज येतात तर मग त्या अशा चार्जेसला कमी करणं, त्याच्यामुळे तुमचं कंपनी बरोबरचं फॅमिली रिलेशन होईल इन्व्हेस्टरचं. कन्सिडर दॅट बॉन्डेड सर्व्हिसेस, दॅट बंडल सर्व्हिसेस इन्क्लूड दॅट फोन सर्व्हिसेस ज्याला आपण म्हणतो, काय म्हणतो आपण, वेब होस्टिंग किंवा इंटरनेट एक्सेट्रा. that bundling that 2 or more services, so also cost can be saved. एकत्र जर केला तर तुमची कॉस्ट अजून सेव्ह होऊ शकते. यूज पेरोल डेबिट कार्ड्स. दिस इज अनदर वन. डेबिट कार्ड इज देअर. At the moment, what is that? Your system, your business can be greatly reduce its administrative cost, and that eliminate these expenses that goes into the printing, checking, and lower the risk and avoid that all frauds and all. This is also advantage you can be get them. One more, that manage employee spending. आता हे थोडंसं चॅलेंजिंग आहे, पण होऊ शकतं थोडंसं वर्क केलं तर. Misuse or abuse of company issue. So credit card procuring among the employee at every level. So setting up that guidance and acting that all limits and all. So that is another can be get benefit. Other electronic invoices, it is also one more you can be do that. Electronic invoices means that in the issuing that invoice by email directly or your customers. So you can reduce your company's print and postage. This all is like ideal, I think. Clear? थोडंसं आयडियलच आहे, नाही म्हणलं तरी, पण हे होऊ शकतं किंवा आपल्याला करता येऊ शकतं. क्लिअर? मला वाटतं आजच्या लेक्चरला एवढंच बास, नाही तर डोक्याच्या वरून खूप जाईल. टाइम पण झालेला आहे. उद्याच्या लेक्चरला याच वेळेला आपण हे लेक्चर कंटिन्यू करूया. 33 लोक आहेत. नावं टाईप करा. काही लोक अब्सेंट म्हणतात, मी प्रेझेंट होतो. येस, बाय बाय बाय.